FloodStop 3/4-inch water heater kits now offer two press connection options, a press-by-press valve and a press-by-MPT valve. These new valves maintain all the benefits of the FloodStop point-of-use leak detection kits that you've come to trust by stopping flood damage before it ever starts. The FloodStop press connection kits save time and money by eliminating extra steps needed for NPT connection installations. Press fittings use a specialized hydraulic tool to form a watertight seal around the pipe. The press fittings rely on a pre-lubricated EPDMO ring to ensure a watertight connection and do not need pipe tape or putty. By eliminating the threads of an NPT fitting, these press fit kits also eliminate the potential of cross threads, ancillary materials, and potential leaks. Whatever your need, FloodStop offers the most complete line of point-of-use leak detection products and provides the widest selection of valve connection types of all manufacturers. For complete product information on FloodStop point-of-use leak detection kits, visit us online at floodstop.com.